Welcome. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of the MEQ zero-point energy solution. Imagine an energy source so abundant it's virtually limitless. This isn't a fantasy, but a reality in the realm of quantum physics known as zero-point energy. Even in a vacuum at the lowest possible energy state, particles possess residual energy, a phenomenon that sparked curiosity and innovation for years. Enter the McGinty Equation, or MEQ, a trailblazing solution that's unlocked the potential to harness this infinite energy source. By incorporating fractal and gravitational effects, the MEQ transcends traditional quantum theories, unifying and enhancing our understanding of zero-point energy. This has vast implications for our global energy challenges, offering a clean, inexhaustible energy source. So buckle up as we delve deep into the world of quantum mechanics and zero-point energy. First, let's unravel the mystery of zero-point energy. Born from the realm of quantum mechanics, zero-point energy is the lowest possible energy that a quantum mechanical system can possess. Contrary to classical physics, where the energy of a system can be zero, quantum mechanics insists that everything in the universe has a baseline energy or a zero point. Picture a vacuum, a space devoid of matter. You'd think it's void of energy too, but it's not. Even in a vacuum, particles are humming with what's known as residual energy. This is where vacuum fluctuations come into play. They are minute, temporary changes in the amount of energy in a point in space, and they're crucial to understanding zero-point energy. This limitless, omnipresent energy source is fascinating, isn't it? Now that we understand what zero-point energy is, let's see how the McGinty equation fits into this. Enter the McGinty equation, a game-changer in quantum field theory. This mathematical marvel takes us beyond the traditional realm of quantum physics and into the fascinating world of fractals and gravity. Let's break it down. The McGinty equation, or MEQ, comprises multiple elements. The first part, PSQFT-XT, signifies the solution of free quantum field theory. In simple terms, it's the standard quantum physics we're all familiar with. But here's where it gets interesting. The MEQ introduces additional components. We have PS fractal XT-DMQS representing fractal effects and PS gravity XTG representing gravitational effects. These elements bring a whole new dimension to quantum field theory, acknowledging the complex fractal nature of the universe and the pervasive influence of gravity. By incorporating these effects, the MEQ provides a more unified and enhanced understanding of zero-point energy. It's like seeing the universe in high definition for the first time. We're not just observing particles in a vacuum anymore. We're exploring the intricate dance of energy, matter, and gravity at the quantum level. And the best part? The MEQ isn't just a theoretical wonder. It's a practical tool, a key to unlock the limitless potential of zero-point energy. With the MEQ, we're not just understanding zero-point energy better. We're learning how to harness it. So, how does the MEQ help us tap into the potential of zero-point energy? Well, let's dive right into it. Zero-point energy is a fascinating concept that stems from the principles of quantum mechanics. In the simplest of terms, it's the residual energy that particles possess even at their absolute lowest energy state. This means even in the vacuum of space, there's an incredible amount of energy just waiting to be harnessed. Imagine having a clean, virtually inexhaustible energy source at our fingertips. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But thanks to the McGinty equation, or MEQ, it's closer to science fact. The MEQ goes beyond traditional quantum theories and brings in elements of fractal and gravitational effects. In doing so, it provides a unified and enhanced understanding of zero-point energy. But more importantly, it offers a method to capture and harness this energy for practical applications. We're talking about an energy source that could possibly meet our global energy demands indefinitely. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, like any scientific breakthrough, there are challenges to overcome, but the potential rewards are massive. The implications of this are enormous, promising to revolutionize global energy challenges. And with the MEQ leading the charge, we're on the brink of a new era in energy production. But where can we apply this revolutionary energy solution, you may ask? Well, the potential applications of MEQ zero-point energy solutions are as diverse as they are exciting. Let's start with green energy generation. By tapping into the limitless reservoir of zero-point energy, We could revolutionize our approach to power generation, making it cleaner, greener, and more sustainable. Then we have the transportation industry. Imagine vehicles powered not by fossil fuels, but by the inexhaustible energy of the quantum field. This could truly be a game changer, reducing carbon emissions and paving the way for a cleaner future. In the realm of advanced materials manufacturing, MEQ zero-point energy could be harnessed to create materials with unprecedented properties, revolutionizing fields from construction to electronics. And let's not forget quantum computing. Harnessing zero-point energy could propel us into a new era of information processing, making our current computing capabilities look primitive in comparison. MEQ zero-point energy solutions have the potential to reshape industries. But what are the benefits and challenges? Like any groundbreaking innovation, MEQ zero-point energy solutions come with their set of advantages and challenges. The advantages are compelling. Firstly, MEQ zero-point energy is sustainable. It's a virtually limitless resource, present even in the emptiest of spaces. It doesn't deplete or diminish over time, unlike fossil fuels. Secondly, it has the potential to significantly reduce our carbon footprint. By harnessing this energy, we can power our world without the harmful emissions associated with traditional energy sources. However, there are challenges. The most significant one is the sheer technical complexity of harnessing zero-point energy. It's not an easy task to tap into this vast energy source that exists at a quantum level. That's where the McGinty Equation steps in, providing a theoretical framework for understanding and potentially capturing this energy. As we continue to refine our understanding of the MEQ and develop practical applications, we're paving the way towards a more sustainable future. As we overcome these challenges, the future possibilities are limitless. What does the future hold for MEQ zero-point energy solutions? Imagine a world where energy scarcity is a thing of the past, where we tap into the very fabric of the universe for our power needs. The McGinty Equation, or MEQ, could make this a reality. Potential future advancements and breakthroughs with MEQ zero-point energy solutions may completely reshape our world. Consider the impact on global economies. The cost of energy influences everything from the price of goods to the stability of nations. Harnessing zero-point energy could level the playing field, democratizing access to power and sparking unprecedented economic growth. Look at industries, from transportation to manufacturing to computing. They could be revolutionized, becoming cleaner, more efficient, and less dependent on finite resources. The world of MEQ zero-point energy is filled with endless possibilities, promising a future of sustainable and limitless energy. So let's keep exploring, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible.